Hey guys, this is Rahul and Xiaomi launched their new Redmi Note device, that's the Redmi Note 7 in China 2 days ago, and this could be the next best seller in India under a price of 50,000 rupees. So they actually launched two variants, that the Redmi Note 7 and a 7 Pro. So we'll talk about the Pro version later on. Let's talk about the Pro. Let's talk about the Redmi Note 7. So the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 will actually sport a 6.3 inches Full HD Plus display alongside with water drop notch design, and let me tell you, these devices will be priced very aggressively in India, and they are actually very aggressively priced in China too, and I'm going to talk about the price in the later part of the video. So it will come with the aspect ratio of 9.5 is to 9, and the Redmi Note 7 runs on an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC, which is amazing for the price, and this is in fact the best processor which we see in India in mid-range devices. And so this is a full-fledged Snapdragon processor. It's not the underclocked one, and this will be clocked at 2.2 gigahertz, and it will have a GPU which is the Adreno 512, and will come out of the box with 8.0 Android Oreo, which is kind of frustrating and annoying. It's because uh, new devices are getting by out of the box, and so and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 will sport a dual camera setup like the Redmi Note 6 Pro, and which gets a 48 megapixel shooter on the primary, which is like not digestible, and a 5 megapixel shooter in the front, or you can say a selfie camera. And the 48 megapixel lens gets an f aperture size of f1.8, so it should be good in terms of on paper. It should be good at while taking low light photos. And a front shooter is a 13 megapixel unit, which is again indigestible, and the camera gets AI assist as well, since the processor Snapdragon 660 have AI features, AI in it. And I'm going to talk about the camera a bit more. They are talking about this 14 megapixel a lot. It was in the news also that Xiaomi is going to launch some of their device with the 48 megapixel camera, and they launched this 48 megapixel shooter camera on their budget devices. And I'm not expecting the camera should perform very good, because since this is a budget device. And so let's talk about the pricing. So the Redmi Note 7 launched by Xiaomi has been priced at 999 yuan for the base variant, which is 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabyte of internal storage. And it is priced at 999 yuan, which is 10,500 Indian rupees. And I'm guessing that this should be priced at 999,000 well when it gets launched in India. And the greatest specs, which is 4 gigabyte of RAM and 64 gigabyte of internal storage, should be priced is actually priced in China at 1199 yuan, which is roughly 12,400 Indian rupees. And there is a third variant with 6 gigabyte of RAM and 64 gigabyte of internal storage, which they are touting, or like they are calling them the Pro version, which is priced at 1399 yuan, which is roughly 14,500 Indian rupees. So you are getting a Snapdragon 660 for a price of 10,000 is amazing. It's because the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, which was launched months ago, like 2 or 3 months ago, actually have the Snapdragon 660 and Adreno 512 GPU, but it is actually priced at 30,000 rupees, and it does not have a water drop notch. So this could be the best seller. It's because of the pricing, and I'm actually a lot more interested in this device. Usually I'm not on the Xiaomi device. I don't like Xiaomi devices a lot because of the UI and all that stuff, but this device takes my attracts me a lot, and we will see when gets launched in India. So guys, this is it for this video, and thank you for watching. This is Rahul, and thank you guys for watching.